Hello everybody, this is Naomi. I'm back today to do a showing of some of the things that I've made with this beautiful kit from Decori8yourlife. Sandy, it's either Nigel or Nagel. She has a Facebook group, she has a Instagram, and her and Jenny asked me if I would do a collab with them and make some things with this beautiful kit. And I love this kit. It's called Summertime, and there was 16 sheets in this one and 16 sheets in this one, and there's two sets. Part of it is beautiful background pages, and then the other ones actually had images. As you see, images. And this is a beautiful kit. If you can go get this kit, you really need to go get it. I have had so much fun working with this and making things with it. And she has a giveaway going on right now with her subbies. So if you go over and you sign up and become a subby, you can get into the giveaway. So here are a few things that I have made with this beautiful kit. And I have, like I said, really enjoyed playing with this kit. And I feel very honored to be asked to help with this, which, they were needing help with some things and I volunteered, but to be selected as one of those few, I was very honored of that. So here are a few things that I have made with this beautiful kit. Here it is. Sorry about that. I made a little belly band that goes around. That's my closure. And then I have some pieces that do hang over. So this will fold out this way. You have plenty of writing space here. You can use this as a journaling book. You can use it as a picture album. Whatever you want to use it as. And then it folds out one more time. And then this folds out this way. And see, as you see, I left plenty of room to write, put a picture, any of this. And then I put a journaling card in, which you can front or back. And I didn't have the die for this or anything. I hand cut this thing out. I measured it to what measurements I wanted and cut it out and pieced it together. So I'm going to slide this up just a little bit because we got another piece. And see, here's more spot. This folds down. And then this one folds out. And it has another journaling card here. And I didn't want these to be totally blank, so I cut out things that was on the pages and put in there to help decorate it. And there's more journaling space over here, and then this side folds back out this way, and you have another tag here. I had so much fun with this kit. It looks kitty, but it's not. I've been wanting to do a bee theme journal, and I will probably get this kit again and use part of this kit in my bee theme journal that I want to make. Beautiful images. Look at the little girl here, or the little bee. Love it. And this one folds over that way. Isn't it cute though? Okay. So there's piece number one. And then this just slides back over it like that. And it keeps it closed up. So there's one. This was my very first one that I made. It's a little bag. You can put goodies in it, candies. You can send it, you know, little whatever in it, and send it as a goodie bag for somebody. And I just used, I got a cutout for this. I used a die and I cut it out, and then I hand cut these out and back them with, as you see, foam to make them stand out from the page. And then I cut this ribbon out and just glued it on and made it form to the box. And then I put this little precious little lace around the handle to make it kind of stand out. So there's that. That's two. Then this is something that you could just throw in your purse, use it in a journal, use it here on your desk. It is a matchbook pad, shaped like a matchbook. And you just do it like that. I cut the bee out, the gnome bee, backed it, made it stand off the page. I had these little bees from Dollar Tree, and I used a third of the page, and made this beautiful little notebook. So I put this lace in here and there. This has been, like I said, I have just had so much fun with this kit. So there's that. Then I have this. And each thing that I've made, did I put the date on this one? Because I've been putting dates on them. Or at least I thought I did. Or maybe I didn't do this one. Yeah, see? This one I did the 3rd, the August the 8th, 2003. This was the first one I made whenever I got the kit. But this here, I wanted to make it a card, you know, like you can make it a birthday card, and just put different sayings on each one of these. But this was the cover page, believe it or not, for one of the packages. And they were it just showed little images of what was in the paper group. And I just cut them out and made a waterfall. And then used one of the flowers. And if you used it in a journal, you could put it in and may have a side tuck and still have this here. Or you could have a top tuck, whichever. Or you could just send it out as a regular card. Just, you know. There's many ideas that you can use for any of this stuff. And then the one I made today, I just finished it moments ago, was this here. I seen, oh God, I think it was Jenny Petrie made something similar to this, And then there was another lady, I watched a video, and she had made one. Well, I don't have the die set for this. I had to kind of look and see how they were making theirs. And I come up with my own. And it has 4 layers, the main card, and then there's 3 steps on the inside that I hand cut every one of these little pieces out, and I placed them on the little wavy grass. And it will fold down, and you can put it in an envelope. You can send it out and make it as a birthday card, a friend card, because you've got all this back here that you can put to whomever, whatever. And then they've got a decorative little card that'll set up and they can see. And I really liked that it had the summer friends. Because you think about it, once summer's gone, all these little bees and the gnomes, they'll be gone. Then this little girl will be back in the house where it's cold, and yucky, and can't play out in the yard and enjoy outside nature. So, if you are interested in this kit, go over to Facebook, decori8yourlife, and find her Facebook group and become a member of her, be a subby, subscribe to her channel, and there's information in there where you can buy these kits, and they'll tell you where you can go, and you can have the same fun with these beautiful kits too. And I'm not done. These are just a first 5 things that I have made so far. I will be still making some other things. But that is the first 5 things that I have made since I got this beautiful kit. So if you're interested, head on over there. Enjoy and have some fun just like we are having. Thank you and have a blessed day, everyone.